Mike and Dave rolling, boots on the ground. Big Rooster Media making their rounds, tackling water wars, rights in a bind, speaking the truth, leaving no one behind. Whoa, raise your glasses high tonight, talking water, talking rights, keeping it tight. Food reviews and facts so bold. Klamath story by the fire they told. Out near the basin where the rivers run low, they dig through the dirt, truths start to show. Farmers and ranchers, the stories they weave. Mike and Dave listen, what they believe. Whoa, raise your glasses high tonight, talking water, talking rights, keeping it tight. Food reviews and facts so bold. Klamath story by the fire they told. Barbecue smoke and the steaks are just right, spinning tails under a moonlit night. They sip, they laugh, a toast they do say, for every voice heard at the end of the day. Big Rooster takes flight, their message is clear, solving big issues without any fear. Mike and Dave stand tall, the people they serve. Klamath County gets the attention deserved. Whoa, raise your glasses high tonight, talking water, talking rights, keeping it tight. Food reviews and facts so bold. Klamath story by the fire they told. Klamath story by the fire they told. By the fire they told.